Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to capitalize first letter in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Google Sheets, you can automatically capitalize the first letter of text in a cell using a formula. Unfortunately, though, for Google Sheets does not have a built-in function specifically for capitalizing the first letter of each word in a cell. Because if you are using Excel, there's the proper function. But of course, we are here to explore on methods on how we can achieve capitalizing of the first letter using a combination of formulas and functions. Now, automatically capitalizing the first letter here ensures that the text entries on your spreadsheet maintain a consistent and uniform appearance. I find it very useful when dealing with large data sets or when multiple users contribute to the spreadsheet. I'm going to create a new tab. For example, I am typing here and we wanted to capitalize the first letters here. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, maybe like so you can see that. Now here, all you're gonna do is go to the next cell and type in space and search for the proper. You need to select the cell, obviously, and press enter. You see, it has already been capitalized. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you can guys follow. You see that one? And for you to be able to automatically capitalize all the first letters here in Google Sheets that you're working, you just have to drag this going down. See that one? All right? It's easy, right? Because capitalizing the first letter improves the readability of text, making it easier for users to quickly scan and understand the information, because proper capitalization helps differentiate headings, titles, or proper nouns from regular text. I always do this a lot because I believe that for end users sharing spreadsheets, for example, I'm working with multiple freelancers and to my clients, so automatically capitalizing text enhances the experience by providing a clear, easy to read information. Of course, it contributes to effective communication and collaboration. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.